I did make a mistake during our Catterday segment. I used a submitted photo of a cat with an inappropriate name. I don't want to use the name here, but I never intended to.
Zero right now, so certainly this is kind of weather for the cats. So we've got our Catterday night forecast for you now, where we are featuring Kipper here, thanks to Debbie Alexander. And I think Kipper kind of looks like Charlie Chaplin here, so I don't know.
Don't leave me here! My house! My
Here, kitty. You can has cheeseburger.
Damn, man, I ain't gonna lie, this shit's sad. Where's his mom at? Oh! You thought you scared me or something? That's why your mom left.
Be formless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot.